In this video, I want to show you how to create ArcGIS layout templates in such a way that when you have your mapping layout, instead of adding map elements one by one, you just click here, which is change layout. Click on change layout, just click on that template and click on finish. You can see automatically it added all the map elements. So to do that, the starting point is this. Open your ArcGIS and then you have to set the coordinate system of the layer. So to do that, just come to view and come to data frame properties. Come under coordinate system, set it. If you want to set it to projected coordinate system or geographic coordinate system. In my case, I've input these two coordinate system as my favorite, so I can choose from any of these favorite of mine. So if you don't have them under your favorite, you can navigate through this and choose your favorite. So here I'm choosing this WJS84. Select it and click on OK. So I've set the coordinate system of this layer. The next thing to do is to come to layouts. When you come to layout, what we want to do essentially is a situation where we create our own layout templates, such that whenever you want to use layout, you don't need to be inserting map elements one by one. You just click on your templates and boom, you have it. So the first thing is, after you have set the data frame coordinate system, so now here you have to insert all the map elements that ought to be in a map. So to do that, come to insert and insert, for example, north arrow. Click on north arrow, choose any one of your choice and click on OK. So this is the north arrow. Position it where you want it to be. Let's say here. Then let's add the frame. Click here and drag like this. Right click and edit the properties. Instead of fill color, let's choose no color. Change this outline color to black and increase the outline width and click on OK. So now the next thing, let's insert legend. Click next. Here we can change it to 22. Click next. You can change the border and you can give it background and click next, click next, click finish. So this is the legend. You can position it where you want it to be. Then the next element we want to add, let's add the scale. So I want this type of scale. Click on OK. You can see the scale. So put it where you want it to be. Then right click and edit the properties of the scale. So here, come to scale and units. Let's say 2. Then change the units. Let's say to kilometers. And the labeling of the kilometers should be km. Then you can edit the symbol. Let's make the font 12. Make it bold. And click on OK. Then come to number and marks. Click on symbol. So we want to make the size 12. Make it bold. And click on OK. Click OK. The next element you can add is the title. To add title, you can come to insert and you see title and insert the title if you want to. But I don't want to insert title because I'll be using it for different map. So the map I want to use the frame for will determine the title. So let's just leave it. So the next thing is, if I want to put my signature on the map, to do that, let me just click here on text and add my signature. Then I'll click here and edit that very text. Click on it and click properties. So I want to put my signature GGS. Then I can click on change symbol and change the color to blue and change the font size to 6 and click on bold and click on OK. Click OK. So this is it. Let me just put it here and arrange it very well. So this is the neat line. Let me adjust it. Yes, adjust it to fit in. The next element I want to put, let me put this signature here. The next element I want to put is the grid. To do that, just highlight this, then right click and click on properties. Then come to grids, click on new grid, click next. I want label only. So, and I want the interval to be 5 minutes. So I'll click next, click finish, then click on OK. For the grid we added, let's edit the grid. Just right click it, click on properties. So come to properties. So here we want to change the size to 12. We want to make it bold. Then here, let's make it left, right, and click on OK. Click OK. Then this legend, we can just shift it a little bit. Yes, that is done. Now it is time to save your templates. To save your templates, let me show you outside the right destination to save your layout templates. To do that, just open, come to your local disk, then come to user, click on users, then click on app data. If your app data is not showing, then come to view and check these hidden items. Check it, that is to show the hidden item, so your app data will be showing. So double click on app data. We are going to roaming, then you see S3 and you see desktop 10.8. Depending on the version of your ArcGIS, that will determine the value you will see here. Double click it, then you will see ArcMap. Double click it, you will see templates. Double click it. So this is our destination where you will save that very templates. Now let's close this. Now come to back to ArcGIS. Now to save this template you have designed, if you want to put a logo, you can do that. Just design your template the way you want it. Then come to save. Come to this PC. Come to local disk. Scroll down, come to users. Come to user. Come to app data. Come to roaming. Then scroll down, you can see S3. Double click it. Then desktop 10.8. Double click it. Then come to ArcMap. Then come to templates. Here you will save your templates. Now I want what we design is portraits. You can give it any name of your choice, but for ease of use, let's just say portraits. Portraits, and click on save. So now we have saved our layout portrait templates. How do we use it? I'll have to open a new project and bring in data and show you the essence of these templates. So to do that, let me just close this. Let's launch ArcGIS now. Click on ArcMap. Click on cancel. Now let's assume you want to add data. Just add data. Let's select any data here. Let me use this data. For example, let's say I want this Anambra LGAs, rivers, roads, and click on add. Click OK. Now let's assume I have this map. I've done with all my map and I want to take it to layout and add map elements. So what I will do, I will click on layout. So when you have your mapping layout, instead of adding map elements one by one, you just click here, which is change layout. Click on change layout. That portrait template we design, just click on that template and click on finish. You can see that it automatically add the legend, the scale, all the other map elements were added. So it is just little adjustment you need here. For instance, the grid is too choke, so it's just a little adjustment you need to do here. So just by clicking on properties and the interval, just make it 1 degree instead of 5 minutes, and click on OK. Click OK. So you can see that this make it easier for us to add map elements. Instead of adding map element from beginning at every time you are doing map, having a template saved will save you the headache. So what you need is just to use the template. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.